Hello and welcome to my director's cut of the 2016 5th opening of the Scottish Parliament. This is 3 Scots of the Black Watch Pipes and Drums who are providing an escort to the Crown of Scotland from its normal home in Edinburgh Castle down to the Scottish Parliament where Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II is waiting to visit to open the Parliament. As you can see, the Crown of Scotland is well guarded with these troops, and here it comes. It's in this Rolls Royce Phantom, accompanied by the Duke of Hamilton and some police. There it is. So we've got 2 battalions of soldiers. Lots of comments since I've made this video as you wouldn't mess with that wee guy at the back with the red sash on. Now, I need to get past the crowd here, so I lift up my camera, which is on a monopod, to give me some height. You can see how deep the crowds were, and took a good use of the elbows to get past them. Now that was the only time that I paused the video during the whole of the parade down the Royal Mile. And the big drummer, he never paused from start to finish. He just does the beat all of the time, even between songs, as you can hear just now. So I'm trying my best to catch up at the front of the parade. That first song, by the way, was the Atholl Highlanders and Cock of the North. The next song is going to be one of the ones that YouTube has taken a dislike to, in that the Content ID system says it's copyrighted for some reason, even though it's hundreds of years old. It is the Green Hills of Tyrol. I'm going to certainly have to talk over it, because if I don't, this video could get banned in certain countries. More about that later. So the Royal Mile in Edinburgh has got lots of gift shops, or tat shops as they're known locally, and the majority of them being owned by the Gold brothers. So here we go. When we pass the pub, Deacon Brodie's, band strike up again into the Green Hills of Tyrol. Otherwise known as the Scottish Soldier. So you'll see Edinburgh's Royal Mile is cobbled all the way from top to bottom, which when it's wet can cause those soldiers a bit of a problem with tacky boots. So the parade's it's passing just now the High Court, which is on the right hand side, and on the left hand side we're going to see St Giles Cathedral. And then after that the parade will pass Mercat Cross, where the annual Remembrance Day service is held round about the 11th of November. And I've been there for the last few years. I missed one because I was away to Singapore for my 50th birthday, lucky me. But 2017 I managed to get 2 Scots, the Royal Highland Fusiliers. 2018 was the Highlanders, 4 Scots. 2019 this band, 3 Scots, the Black Watch. So they'll be getting eyes left in just a second, because that's where the cenotaph in Edinburgh is, at the City Chambers at Mercat Cross. As you can see, there's not that many tourists down this bit just now allows me to get real close to the band. There's the drum major, looking resplendent, with his array of medals. And the pipe major, obviously over at the left hand side. Again, this song is Green Hills of Tyrol, aka the Scottish Soldier. And the drum major is just about to bring everyone to halt by raising up his mace. Check the statue thing in the background, that seems to be there year round. That's there's a unicorn at the top of that column, Mercat Cross. The big drum never stops. So the next song that's going to come up is known as Highland Laddie, or Highland Laddie if you're not Scottish, and YouTube really dislike that one. That will get you the whole of the video banned in 260 countries when the Content ID system identifies that. So hopefully me talking over it's going to stop that happening. That's a theory anyway. Highland Laddie. So I first published this video in just days after, actually the same day that this event occurred, which was the 2nd of July 2016, which is some 3.5 years ago now, because we're sitting here 27th of December 2019 on a horrible rainy day. I have no work today, so I thought let's do some video editing for the YouTube channel. So this director's cut has been on the cards for quite a while now. Yeah, so the video amassed 7.3 million views, and I had no issues with it for many years. It was nice and green, monetised, earning me a nice bit of cash to pay for the camera equipment, and then all of a sudden, bang, copyright, copyright, copyright. Songs such as The Green Hills of Tyrol, Highland Laddie, Scotland the Brave, The Black Bear. Now, these songs are ancient songs, they're hundreds of years old, so why does someone think it's okay to put the golden image of it onto the Content ID system and try and claim all of the monetisation money for themselves? This seems wrong to me. Anyway, the camera I used at this point in time was a Panasonic Lumix 1000. I've now got the later model, the 2000, which is a bit better at maintaining focus as you zoom in and out. But both cameras are 4K. I use an external mic, a Rode stereo video mic sitting atop the camera, and the camera sits on the monopod, which allows me to get height. Unfortunately, the only means I have of gotta get around this horrible pile of rubbish, stabilising the image is what's built into the camera. So latterly I've actually bought a Panasonic 4K camcorder, which has got much better image stabilisation. You might see me in the reflecting in the windows of that car there, you see my equipment. But the Panasonic Lumix picture quality is just outstanding, and the sound quality from the Rode stereo mic, amazing. So the song we're going into next is going to be Scotland the Brave. Again, I need to do a bit of talking through that one because it's copyright. Oh, sorry, I told a lie. We're back to the Atholl Highlanders. So there on the left hand side, very famous pub in Edinburgh, the World's End. Unfortunately there were a few girls naked. So I've crossed the road at this point in time. Despite Major. So this is Cock of the North for the Highlanders, and Gwen Sung, Campbellton Law. I think that one's actually copyright as well in YouTube's content ID system. Never used to have to bother about that stuff when I started uploading videos, but it's becoming a real problem for me nowadays. And the beat of the big drum goes on and on. Somebody missing from this parade today is Cruachan, the mascot of the Royal Regiment of Scotland. I've never seen him at this parade or the 20th anniversary parade, which was in July of this year again, same kind of format. You'll see that in my YouTube channel as well. The band at that one was the Scots Guards, and the marching was nowhere near as clinical as these guys. There's the Rolls Royce Phantom, Duke of Hamilton, Crown of Scotland. Remember, the band and the troops form the escort to the crown. Okay, so we've got a new song now. Green Hills of Tyrol again. Good job I was on this side of the road, I reckon, because I would be missing out on a lot of the action if it was across the other side of the road with all those buildings up. But unfortunately, I got stopped before the Scottish Parliament on this side of the road, whereas the other side I would get right down to the end of the parade. There were only designated crossing points, as you can see there's barriers up. There's a big parade called the Common Ridings that happened after the opening of the Scottish Parliament. So it had floats and bands. The photographers love that shot. Prestige Scotland. I like to get the photograph of the band with the kilts and the tartan with that shop in the background. Often get criticised for not showing much of the actual soldiers at these parades, but there you go, trying my best there. Unfortunately the 2nd Battalion, these men far behind the band, so they don't get much coverage. I'm sorry guys. Right, what's up next? It's going to be Highland Laddie. Followed a few parades down the Royal Mile now. As I mentioned earlier, I do the Remembrance Sunday parades every year. There was a 10th anniversary parade of the Royal Regiment of Scotland a few years ago, and it was from the Castle Esplanade down to that church behind us there, which is Cannygate Church. I've also been to a free concert in Cannygate Church with the Royal Regiment of Scotland military band playing. Really good. That happens on a kind of regular basis. Another parade to look out for in the Royal Mile is the Order of the Thistle Parade, which occurs on even number of years, again from the castle down to St Giles. This is the Highland Laddie playing, Highland Laddie. We are definitely nearing the Scottish Parliament now. And the Queen comes up from the Holyrood Palace to meet the parade at the Scottish Parliament. So this year it was the Queen and the Duke of Edinburgh, because it was 2016. Since then, the Duke of Edinburgh's retired from public duties, and for the 20th anniversary of the Scottish Parliament, which was opened in 1999, so that happened in 2019, it was the Queen and Prince Charles, the Duke of Rothesay, who came up from the Holyrood Palace for the Queen to perform the opening. Again, there was a parade from Castle all the way down to the Parliament, with the Scots Guards leading it, and again we had the Duke of Hamilton in the Rolls Royce Phantom. So this song is The Black Bear. I love the way the drummers get involved in this with it. Woo! Black Bear's copyrighted. What a nice surprise. Again, I used to put the march out from the tattoo. I don't put tattoo videos on YouTube anymore, that's another story. They got me slaughtered with YouTube for copyright, and real copyright. So got a pact with the tattoo that I do not put any tattoo footage on my YouTube channel anymore. So about that. Although I go to the tattoo every year and I do record it all. So I gave actually the new drum sergeant, pipe sergeant of the Three Scots the Black Watch DVD, well, it's actually a Blu-ray, featuring him at the tattoo high up on the ramparts, so I hope he was liking showing his family that. Well, this is the end of the director's cut. I can't go any further. The place is buzzing with police. If I was across the other side of the road, I'd have been okay. But you live and learn, so you'll know I was across the other side of the road for the 20th anniversary. So, thanks for watching. Cheers.